Alright, you guys, we back up here at the junkyard once again. I basically live here, bro. I'm here to get an intake manifold. I was gonna get this one, but it's got some doo-doo leaking out. I would literally have to walk around looking at all the other trucks to see what all is taken out of the intake, because I plan on just taking the whole damn thing. The fuel rail is already taken off of this. I'm possibly going to take the intake manifold off of this. This one is a 2001 Silverado. Alright, you guys, like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes later, we got all the bolts loose. I'm gonna see if this thing is ready to come up. Oh, damn. I thought that was gonna be a lot harder than it was. Alright. Everything seems to be unplugged. Shit. Fuck it. Okay. I know I said I wanted to keep all the hoses, but there's just some of them I'm just not gonna be able to take. There we have it, boys. Alright, you guys, we have a full intake manifold. Like I said, I don't know what all these bolts go to. Probably the fuel rail. Yeah, that fits in the fuel rail. Damn, this is 6.0. No, I was playing. It's a 5.3. Gotcha, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Definitely want to keep the gasket. I don't want to have to buy another one, because I think these are actually reusable. A fuel rail with 3 bolts. I need to find another one. And we got the throttle body off of. This one is the 2002 GMC Sierra. Hey, look right here. There's the, damn. I need both of these coil packs. I don't need the coil packs just yet, but I do need the rails, because I want to put the rails on mine. Alright, you guys, I said everything on the intake, $45. I got 5 injectors off of this, the 02. So this is a 2002 Tahoe Z71. Man, every time I come to this junkyard, this lady flirts with me. Alright, so it's $22 for the cover. So I took that off, and it's 50 something for the throttle body, because it came up to like 100. What'd she say? She said like $120, something like that, or 105 something, I don't know. So these were only $5. So yeah, I just had to take the cover and the throttle body off. But baby girl done got lost in the sauce, because I asked her how much an air shock would be for a suspension, and she was just looking at me smiling, and then I was like, oh, okay. And she's like, oh, I just drew a blank. Look at that Suburban. Damn, son, that's what I want. I want headlights and turn signals like that. I want to lift like that too. I don't like the wheels and tires. They're not my choice, but that thing needs a bumper on it, son. Got a power washer plug off. Oh yeah, that mug, boy. Look at Bryce, baby. All right, cuz, time to flip this mug like that. Oh, don't break, don't break. Damn thing costs too damn much to freaking break now. I do have the little inserts that go in there. Shit. Yes, sucker. You got, oh shit. You guys see how the intake ports work? Damn it. Now we have to roll it over. Do this side. Shit. Yeah. That bitch all cleaned out up in there. Baby girl. Alright. Pretty well cleaned up.